Net ionic equations. Alright, so how to do this is, first you separate all the compounds. When separating this, you must look at the solubility rules, which I have right here. And then, if it's soluble, you don't separate the compound, and if it is, then you do. Now, when separating it into a complete ionic compound, you want to put like the charges, the original charges that it had, on every element except if it's insoluble. Now, once you're done separating it, you want to see like which one is the same. Like, for example, H2 on one side and H2 on the other side. You want to cross them out on the complete ionic equation, and then after you've done that, just put all the other elements together. Now let's do an example. Right here it says AgNO3 is aqueous plus KCl aqueous is yields to AgCl solid plus KNO3 aqueous. Now this we separated on the here. So Ag with the original charge, NO3 with the original charge, and also add the aqueous. And then we also need to look at the solubility rules to see if it's soluble. So right here it says NO3. That means they're soluble. So this is soluble and this is soluble. Now this is over here chlorine, but it also has like another thing. It says all chlorides, bromides, and oxides are soluble except with Ag, Pb, Hg. Now this one doesn't have any of those, but this one does. So this one is soluble. Insoluble. So you do not want to separate this one. Now, you do separate all the other ones. So this one's separated into Ag, this one NO3, and K with the original charge, Cl with the original charge, with the state of matter. And when we get to here, we don't separate it. So we just like copy this to here. So that doesn't change. And then so on to this last part. Now, when we're doing it, we want to, in the complete ionic, this is the incomplete ionic thing. Ionic equation. So we want to cross out the ones that are same. So Ag, no, you leave that alone. NO3, negative charge. NO3, negative charge. So you want to cross this out. This is out. K, negative charge. Positive charge. K, positive. So cross this out and cross this out. Cl, there's nothing the same, and we just take the crossed out ones and then put the ones that aren't crossed out together, which is this. So Ag plus 1 aqueous plus Cl negative 1 aqueous yields to AgCl solid, and that should be all.